Hello friends, discover the latest and coolest kitchen gadgets you need to upgrade your cooking game. From smart tools to time-saving devices, these must-haves are perfect for every home chef. Watch now to see them in action and make your kitchen life easier. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more gadget reviews. So friends, let's start the video. Dish drying rack. Spacious design for large loads. This full-size dish rack offers ample space for plates, mugs, glasses, bowls, utensils, and even larger items like pots and pans. Please refer to product dimensions to ensure an ideal fit for your countertop. Non-slip, stable base. Equipped with soft, anti-slip feet, this dish rack stays securely in place, protecting surfaces and providing stability even on smooth countertops. Rust-resistant, durable coating. Constructed with heavy-duty satin-coated steel wires, this dish rack is designed to resist rusting and stand up to daily kitchen use. To maintain optimal rust resistance, dry the rack and drain board after use. Improved angled drainage system. The angled drain board directs water straight into the sink, preventing pooling and keeping countertops dry. The board and rack are precisely aligned for smooth water flow and easy cleaning. Meat tenderizer. Transform tough cuts into tender meals. Even $8 steaks taste gourmet now. My guests are amazed. 48-blade meat tenderizer break fibers deeply, ensuring perfect flavor absorption every time you cook. Crafted from rust-resistant stainless steel tool for lasting use. Built like a tank, still perfect after hundreds of uses. Weighted design delivers optimal pressure with a comfortable, secure grip. The detachable design rinses clean in seconds. Just pop it apart, quick wash, done. No food gets trapped. Dishwasher-safe components. Eliminate scrubbing for proper hygiene after use. Unlike jacket. Creates channels for marinades to penetrate deeper all. Overnight flavor in just 30 minutes. Game changer for weeknight cooking. Seasonings reach the core for juicier, tastier meals. Food storage container. Premium borosilicate glass. Experience the durability and clarity of our borosilicate glass food storage containers. Perfect for everyday use. These containers are a popular choice among consumers looking for long-lasting, high-quality kitchenware. Airtight freshness. Keep your meals fresher for longer with our airtight food storage containers. The precision-fit lids ensure an airtight seal, making them ideal for meal prep and preserving leftovers, while maintaining flavor and freshness. Microwave oven-safe convenience. Simplify your cooking and reheating process with our oven-safe and microwave-safe glass containers. Their versatile design is perfect for busy lifestyles, allowing for easy transition from freezer to microwave or oven. Safe, trustworthy. Prioritize your health with our BPA-free glass food containers. They provide the assurance of safety and quality for all your kitchen storage needs. Manual can opener. Strong and powerful stainless steel blade. Finally, a more powerful can opener. Sharp and durable 100% stainless steel cutting wheel will easily puncture all types of cans. Rust-resistant for long-lasting use. Heavy-duty construction for easier opening. Effortless can opening is here. The can opener features an extra-large turn knob that allows you to easily open the can with little effort, so you work with the motion instead of against it. Also includes stainless steel construction for a seamless cut and oversized handles that make for an easier grip. Extra smooth cut. The can opener easily latches to the lip of your cans and locks securely in place to help provide a clean, smooth, continuous cut. Potato ricer. Mashing potatoes made easy. Don't you wish you can create perfectly smooth and fluffy mashed potato with less effort? With our Priority Chef Ricer Masher kitchen tool, you can achieve a creamy, heavenly dish quickly and conveniently. Simply squeeze on the long handle of our potato press for perfect mash. Large, deep basket for quicker ricing. Holding a max capacity of 15 ounces, 3 mm ricer holes, you will have your mashed potatoes prepared quicker, yet finer output than using other kitchen gadgets. You can also use it for other veggies like soft carrots, turnips, yams, and even use a baby food masher. Easy cleanup, top rack dishwasher safe. Crafted from 100% rust-proof materials, the Priority Chef Potato Ricer is resistant to stains, corrosion, and deformation. And with its non-stick material, the spuds will simply slide off. Any food residue is easily rinsed off with running water. It's easy to use and easy to clean. Kitchen blender. Powerful crushing, the 72 ounces. Total Crushing Pitcher pulverizes ice to snow in seconds for creamy frozen drinks and smoothies with a powerful 2+ horsepower motor. 64 ounces max liquid capacity. Food processing. 8-cup food processor bowl provides perfect, even chopping and makes up to 2 pounds of dough in just 30 seconds. 4 versatile functions. All 4 functions, blend, mix, crush, and single serve, utilize 1,500 watts of performance power to truly customize your drink-making experience. Blades for any recipe. Stacked blade assembly for the pitcher, dough blade and chopping blade for the processor bowl, and Nutri Ninja blades for single-serve cups. Easy to clean, dishwasher safe, and BPA-free parts. Hand washing. Wash the containers, lids, and blade assemblies in warm, soapy water. Use the provided cleaning brush or a dishwashing utensil with a handle to avoid direct hand contact. Egg cooker. Satisfaction guaranteed. Dash Rapid Egg Cooker is the original and most trusted egg cooker on the market for perfect eggs your way, every time, we guarantee it. 6 egg capacity. Cook up to 6 eggs in soft, medium, or hard-boiled firmness while saving time and water. Eggs come out consistently perfect with shell easy to peel, and clean up is snap. Versatile. This is the perfect appliance for picky eaters, large families, or those who have busy schedules. Hard-boiled eggs, soft-boiled eggs, poached eggs, scrambled eggs, individual omelets, and all within minutes of the push start button. It couldn't be easier. Hand blender. No more lumpy chunks. Equipped with a strength 1100W full copper motor, providing for several times significantly stronger blending and chopping capabilities in seconds to create velvety smooth puree results. Easy-to-use variable speed trigger design. With a pulse-activated sensor, just follow your intuition to control over the recipe and reduce splattering. Getting a switch from low to high speed quickly for easy pureeing, emulsifying, or whipping with just one touch. Effortless cleanup, scratch-free. Features a unique food-grade nylon blade guard designed to minimize suction, preventing scratches on your pots and pans and keeping splashes at bay for a cleaner kitchen and hassle-free cleanup. Comfort at its best. Stylish and ergonomic grip offers a non-slip and comfortable grip when continuously blending ingredients. A perfect gift for mom, grandparents, camper, or all the food lovers on housewarming parties, weddings, birthdays, Thanksgiving Day, and Christmas. Kitchen cutting board. Ultra durable and built to last. Unlike wood or bamboo, these thick, non-porous boards are incredibly durable. Won't splinter, crack, or peel, even after many washes. No oiling or maintenance necessary. Deep juice grooves help capture runoff liquid from messy ingredients. Rubber border helps provide a secure grip on countertops. Food grade and a great choice for all homes. Stays in place during prep. Make food prep easier than ever with the most durable cutting board. Its slip-resistant handle and rubber border help to reduce slipping and sliding on countertop surfaces. BPA-free and food grade. Each board is tested to comply with U.S. regulations, food grade and food safe. Wash in the dishwasher time after time, and boards will not break down. Vegetable chopper. The original pro chopper. Our superstar veggie slicer has been creating waves on TikTok. Simple to use, set up, and clean. Save time and energy during meal prep with our OG vegetable chopper. Chop, slice, and dice your ingredients like a seasoned chef. Easy meal prep with rust-resistant blades. Our vegetable chopper is perfect for anyone who wants to eat healthier but doesn't have a lot of time to spare. Dice potatoes, tomatoes, cucumbers, carrots, and more with the heavy-duty, rust-resistant blades. The 420 stainless steel blades retain razor sharpness for crisp, smooth dicing. A kitchen essential. Whether you're a novice cook or a seasoned pro, the Full-Star Food Chopper is a must-have in any kitchen. It's versatile, easy to use, and dishwasher safe. Please read the instruction manual provided with the Full-Star Food Chopper closely before use.